I was gonna use my gimbal today to take a walk over there, but my gimbal is dead. So this is the second major snow event for the year. But I didn't yeah, this is all we got. Yeah. They already clean up some other places. This person haven't come to clean the sidewalk yet. This person did clean their sidewalk. Stuff melting already. That's what's happening. Snow stuff melting up. Gotta be careful, or else you're gonna slide off. Oh, gotta walk like a penguin. Yeah, you guys could see. Yeah. Oh, that's what I saw last time. So this is Sunday, February 9th. Just wanted to come out here to show you guys. Tonight is gonna refreeze, so it's very important. Could you imagine you gotta wait the bus stand right here for a bus in this cold weather? They haven't cleaned up here yet. This is, I came to clean this guy. It's not that bad. Huh, it's not that bad. I'll clean him up and then I will go and clean the other one, which is closer to the house. See that water coming down here, guys? This water is gonna refreeze tonight. So I need to clear around that vehicle right here. If I don't clear that, this is gonna refreeze around the vehicle. So I gotta clear that. Yeah. So, see. Yeah. You see the water? It's thick. Right? Yeah, see that? Yeah, that's what needs to be done. see, you can see like, what's it, almost 3 inches, yeah, about 3 inches of snow on top. Alright guys, I will get you guys on the rebound. Let me just clean, let me show you all the hammer. See, the hammer is covered. You see the hammer is covered. Not that bad, just the windscreen. Alright, not that bad. The road is clear, not bad. They did a good job at clearing the roads. And this is that down this way. Alright, see you guys on the rebound.